Hello everyone, today we will talk about environment system that is compatible with Game Creator 2, and I will show you some demo scene that we got in our asset. And so load demo scene for Game Creator. So what we need in our scene, we need as usual direction light, main camera, camera shot, and we need environment system component. You can create empty one and add environment system script to your empty object. Now let's talk about some settings. Time of day is current in-game hour, day length in minutes, real-time minutes for a full 24-hour cycle. Sunrise hour and sunset hour I think do not need any explanation. Auto advance, it's this option automatically advances time every frame. So sunlight, it's our directional light. Sun visual and moon visual, it's optional transforms that rotate with the time of a day. So sun in day mode and moon in night. Now we can make sunrise rotation, sunset rotation, and other options here. And these options, day intensity and night intensity, it's about light. Skybox, we can choose it here. We have already predefined skyboxes. Skybox transition duration, so how many seconds must go when day skybox will become night. We can enable skybox rotations and set its speed. Can make custom day-night skybox rotation speed. So these settings about fog, and we are going to weather manager. Weather manager is a script that makes some settings for weather. So we have here current weather. We can define some weather presets. We have in our demo scene clear and storm, fog, rain, snow, and others. Also we can make some transition duration in seconds. Let's make it 10:2. VFX root optional parent transform for instantaneous weather FX. Follow target, it's our player, weather audio source, and others. We can make random weather and set intervals, minimum and maximum minutes before the next random weather change. Also we can define a low weather or exclude some weather presets. Now let's talk about lighting controllers. So we can add the script to our environment system and make some settings. So flashlight, it's optional light that used for lighting flashes. Strike target, optional reference point used for random lighting strike positions. Intervals between light flashes and min strike distance and max strike distance from our strike target. This is useful because when you have a big scene and player is far away, no need to strike somewhere where player didn't see the flashlight, and so these settings will help you with this. So this is flash intensity applied during lighting and duration. Also we define some thunder sounds for this, and also we need to drag and drop our VFX roots, and we can add some particle system for our flashlight. Without it, it will work, but it only use flashlight, so it will be sound and lighter flash, but no visual lighting effects. So you can take someone on asset store and test it. If you want controls this from game creator, we can use some triggers. In my example it is on digits, but you can make some triggers and do this by yourself, or some weight intervals or everything else. So the complete instruction set for the system is here and in my documentation. So this is instructions for environment systems. Also we can make some trigger and look at our environment system. We can fire it in when day started, night started, sunrise, sunset, on time change, or on where there is. We can we need to drag it up in our environment system here and choose some weather, and when weather changes this to that you choose, so this trigger will fire. And we have conditions. So here is a list of conditions that my environment system have. In the next video I will upload some terrain and show you how it works on practice.